Hello student, I Dr. Rupali Sangpa welcome you to the Center for Distance Education Shivaji University Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn about writing MBA project report and its main body of the report and how to write the chapter 4th of the report, that is data analysis and interpretation. Students, as previously we have learnt how to write the introductory part of chapter 3, as like that also we are going to write for the chapter 4, that is analysis and interpretation. Here we are going to start the chapter 4 with the review of the chapter 3. Chapter 3 is devoted to discuss the theoretical background and present chapter is devoted to discuss the analysis and interpretation of the collected data. Such type of introduction we are going to give for the analysis and interpretation of the chapter. Then let's learn before how to analyze the data. In this term we are going to learn about now about the data. Data is a plural of datum, but commonly data word is used to represent both singular and plural forms. Data is commonly defined as raw facts or observations, typically and about physical phenomena or business transactions. Forms of data are, for example, numeric data, text, voice images, etc. Data are objective measurements of the attributes. These measurements are usually represented by symbols such as numbers and words or by codes composed of numerical, alphabetical, and other characters. Once the data and information related to project topic is collected, it has to be processed, analyzed, and interpreted as per the requirement of the project study. So let's understand first what is data processing. Data processing is defined as the processing of data to make it more usable and meaningful, thus transforming it into information. Here on our screen we are observing one of the figure, and here how data is converted into information, that process is shown. First there is the data that is processed, means the on the data the process is done as such as aggregated, data is aggregated, then it is manipulated, it is organized, it is stored, it is compared, it is classified, it is summarized, then it is analyzed, evaluated, placed in a proper context for a human user, and thus the process, different processes we done on the data as per its requirement, and finally we got information products. So now for after understanding the procedure of data processing, there a question arises in our mind: what is data processing? What is data analysis? Data analysis, it refers to the calculation of certain measures so as to study the relationship that exists among different variables in the data collected. The data which is collected through questionnaire and schedule is edited so as to ensure that the collected data is accurate, consistent with other facts gathered, uniformly entered for coding and tabulation. Then the data is presented in the tabular form. Then present the data through disk diagrams, that is preparing graphs, histograms, and pie charts along with tables, so that the information gathered through tables and diagrams will be specific and clear cut. After the collected data is processed, edited, and tabulated, the data is analyzed through statistical measures. Those are statistical techniques, measures used for data analysis. It comprises mean, median, mode, standard deviation, correlation and regression analysis, coefficient of variation, t-test, chi-square, f-test. As per the data, we are going to use these statistical techniques for analyzing the data. After analyzing the data or giving in the tabular form or in the chart form, we are going to interpret it. Interpretation analysis the abstract relations in more concrete terms and tries to unfold the reasons for the existing type of relations or findings. For the accurate interpretation of the data, it is necessary that the data is sufficient and analyzed accurately. After that, it is a requirement of we have to find out the results or findings. Results or findings one can get from the analysis and interpretation of data. So, thus, we learn about how to analyze and interpret data. At the end of this report writing, we are going to display our data. We are tabulating it. We are displaying through using various charts, maps, and then we are going to writing its observations and then interpretation, and at the end its findings, and the chapter is closed with closure as like chapter second and thirds, like this way. Thus this chapter is devoted to describe the analysis and interpretation of the data, and next chapter is devoted to discuss suggestions and conclusion. So student, in this lesson we today discussed about how to do analyze and interpret the data which we collected for our research study. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this session. See you in the next session.